morning, everyone. I hope all of you are safe and healthy. Subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your SAP friends. There are a lot of videos related to SAP and career suggestion. I hope those will be helpful for your cycle. If you have enrolled any of our Udemy courses, please provide your valuable review. Let's go to the topic today. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get the list of open reservations with a transaction code and also from a table. So the table logic can be helpful for you to build any logic in your project, and the report will be helpful for you to guide your users as a training material to check the list of open reservations. Let's go to the transaction wise MB25. So MB25 will give you the reservation list in inventory management. You can check the scope of list, open reservations. Okay, so the scope of list you can select to open reservations. And you can input the plant, whatever the plant you wanted to give, maybe some range of plants or whatever the plant, and the requirement date. So for example, the requirement dates, it's due for certain month. So like that also you can filter it. So these are all different filtration. Specific cost and related reservations also can be filtered. The input parameters are like normal standard reports. You can filter with multiple options. Now click on execute it. So system will show you the list of reservations which are available as open, okay, with specific requirement date. So this is the way how you can get it. This is SAP standard transaction code. Okay, here you can see that reservation category. So what kind of category also you can see it without account assignment or cost center. Okay. Project, based on the category, you can tell that whether it is created for a issue to cost center, issue to project. Okay, that you can identify. So there is, if you are any creating for 501 anything, there is no account assignment category. So these are all details can be seen in a reservation. Now I'm going to show you in a table. The reservation item level table is RESB. So RESB is the reservation table. Here you can get there is an indicator called final issue. Okay, you can pass your plant GKP1, GKP4, what are the plants you wanted to give, and the final issue. There is two indicators will be there. Already it is closed, means final issue, whether it is fully supplied or you put the final issue completed or else no. You have to keep it not equal to X. You have to give the above logic is final issue is not equal to X, and then you can pass the respective plans, whatever. So you will get the list of reservations which are open. So if the business doesn't need those reservations, they can close it, or else they have to supply and provide those things. So this is the way how you can get it, the list of reservations along with the items. See, certain reservations have multiple items, certain reservations have single item. So this is the way how you can get it in a report and also by a table. So here you can get those details. I hope this video is helpful for you to check the respective reports related to open reservations. If you keep more filtrations, the number of entries can come down. Okay, based on the multiple filtrations and all, like in input parameters of MB25, how there is different scope of list, right? Goods movement allowed, not possible. Okay, like that. If you are keeping multiple kind of criteria, the number of entries will increase. So the same way how you are keeping that filtrations, based on that system will get the output. So the MB25 or a RESB you can utilize to get the open reservations. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and keep sharing our videos with your SAP Circle. Thanks again.